Well, good afternoon, Marcus. I've still got a few minutes to trade. I wanted to wrap up today and talk about what did happen today on the 12th of June. Crop report came out at 11 o'clock. I would just say that the grain report for soybeans, corn, and wheat were all considered friendly. The market did react after that. Soybeans were up a penny and a half before the report. They traded and got up about 7 or 8. Now they're up 4. But it was a positive report for those markets, and they are higher than they were at the time they came out. We're looking at some, I think in all cases, the carryout was cut more than most guesses were. As far as cotton goes, the number there was pretty much in line with what analysts had thought. The market had gotten up to higher levels going into the release of the report. Actually, cotton was up 110 or so. At that time, going into the report came out, it was considered in line. The market went from that level, backed off, got to where it was up about 55 or 60, and since then it has slowly moved back up, and we're up right now, probably a little higher than we were at the time the report came out, but a very erratic market. Let's just, and looking at cotton, we can just say the most significant revision of this month's supply and demand report estimate is a 500,000 bale increase in 2017-2018 exports to 16 million bales. Ending stocks are now forecast at 4.2 million bales for 2017-2018, and in 2018-19 it is at 4.7 million bales. So that's really kind of the story there. Expected a cut in production, world and U.S. Expected a reduction in carryout. Got both those things. But the market's back to looking at weather, hot, dry weather in Texas. There are some forecasts for first of next week, increasing the chances of rain there. So that's on people's minds. And then, of course, we've got everything else that we watch with the trade disputes and possibilities of sanctions. That's always around. So let's just quickly look here. We've got July cotton up 39 at 95.14, high of 95.85, low of 94.67. December cotton up 120 at 92.88, a high of 93.19, a low of 91.20. July soybeans up 3 3/4 at 957.5, high of 963 1/4, low of 952. We've got July corn up 12, big move there. Corn was up 4.5 before the report, so it has definitely moved up. That puts July corn at 379 1/4, high of 379 1/2, almost at the high, low of 367 1/4. July wheat, big move here, up 23.5 at 538. It was up 2 before the supply and demand report came out, so we've gone from up 2 to up 22 or 23. And let's see what else we've got. Crude oil up 12 cents a barrel at 66.22 for July crude oil. Dollar up 26. Gold and silver are down. Gold is down $4 an ounce. Silver is down 7 cents an ounce. Looking at the Dow Jones right now is down 8 on the day, so a pretty quiet market there. That's it. Have a good evening. We'll see you tomorrow morning.